Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video lecture, I am going to start the question number 2. I am going to start the question number 2, part 3rd of exercise 8.2. Question number 2, part 3rd, exercise 8.2. The question is, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Then the question is saying that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is equal to, that means we have to get the value of a when sine 2a is equal to twice sine a. It is not always equal. Sine 2a is not always equal to 2 sine a. But for certain values of a, the angle a, we can say that this identity is true. I am going to show you at which values sine 2a will be equal to twice sine a. For that, my dears, you have to remember a formula note. I am writing a note here. The formula is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, it is always equal to twice sine theta cos theta. Remember this. Twice sine 2 theta, it is always equal to twice sine theta cos theta. Now here in this question, we are instead of theta, I am having a. So what I write this LHS, I will write it like that. Therefore, sine 2a, it will be equal to twice sine a cos a. So from the question, what I write now, instead of this sine 2a, I will write 2 sine a. It is given to be equal to twice sine a. So therefore 2 sine a cos a, it is equal to twice sine a, which further implies I will transpose this, it is into here, I will transpose this whole term twice sine a there on the RHS. So here remains cos a, which implies cos a, it is equal to twice sine a, and this quantity, when I transpose it there, it will get divided to this. So I will write it is twice sine a. Now you check, my dears, numerator and denominator are same, so they will be cancelled, and what I get, I will get 1. So which further implies cos of a equals, now here it is 1, here is the trigonometric ratio cos. I am going to check when, at which angle cos a will be, cos is 1. You know it better. So cos 0 is equal to 1. That means instead of this one, I have wrote cos 0, because cos 0 is equal to 1. So this cos and this cos will finish. It means a is equal to 0 degree. So what I get, so this identity sine 2a is equal to twice sine a is true when a is equal to 0 degree. So from the given options, you can check it is option number A. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Got? But in this way, remember in this very question, you have to remember this very formula, sine 2 theta, it is always equal to twice sine theta cos theta. Then I have taken instead of this sine 2 theta, I have taken twice sine a cos a. Then I transpose this term to there. It means cos a is equal to twice sine a by twice sine a. They get cancelled. We have got here 1. Instead of 1, I have wrote cos 0. Why I wrote cos 0? Because this cos and cos will be cancelled. Then here means a. So a is equal to 0 degree. That means at a equals 0 degree, this sine 2a is equal to twice sine a. Thank you, my